Peace, family. How y'all doing today? It is a Monday for me today, and y'all probably wondering why in the world is he walking. I had to get an oil change, so my car is over there getting its oil changed. I also had to get a tire rotation as well, so they're gonna go ahead and do that. Um, Fun fact: if you have a Dodge Ram, because I have a pickup truck, Dodge Ram, and you want an oil change, it's probably, if you want to go the cheaper route, you're probably better off going to like Walmart, because the last oil change that I had was at Walmart, but I didn't know. You know what I'm saying? My my truck said it needed oil change, so I found whatever was nearest to me. The place I took it, they was gonna charge me 120. They got the price down to like $90, and I end up looking at the receipt that I had and saw that Walmart did it for 67. So I was like, well, I'm gonna just bite the bullet on this one. You know what I'm saying? But for next time, I'm taking my black tail to Walmart. Save me like 20 something dollars. But yeah, it's all good though. You live and you learn, and you know what I'm saying. You just make the adjustments accordingly. But right now, I'm on my way to Smoothie King because I love smoothies. So that's where I'm finna go. And I don't know how long the oil change is actually gonna take. So we'll just do some walking around. I like being out in the sun anyway. And then drinking a smoothie is gonna make me a little bit cold. So being out in the sun helps me stay warm. But I'm gonna just walk around the area for a little bit and drink my smoothie. And also give y'all an update on the app. So stay tuned. I'm about to walk in the Smoothie King right now though. Yo, I should get some Noodles and Company. Noodles and Company right next to it. They got this new fire little dish that they got. I forgot the name of it. Let's see what it is. It's the chicken artichoke asparagus rotini. That sounds fire. I wonder if they could take the chicken out for me because I don't eat meat. So maybe they'll do it. We'll see. Alright. Took a little bit longer than expected. It was only one person working the counter. No disrespect to her. She was doing what she could. The sister's doing what she could. But I got my smoothie. It's looking great. Besides my smoothie looking great, it was some great looking women in there. Good Lord, have mercy. We got to stay focused, my brothers. We got to stay focused. I ain't gonna lie to you, it was kind of hard. But anyway, y'all, back to the updates on the app itself. Right now, I'm so glad that I actually took the time this morning. I woke up at like 6 this morning. I've been getting up early lately. I don't know. My body just been naturally getting up early, but I got up at like 6. I did my little routine in the morning. You know, brush my teeth, wash my face. You know what I'm saying. Then I went to the little park or park district or whatever you'll call it. It's like a park or a trail over here where I'm at currently. And when I was over there, I decided to look into trying to fix the app because I was having the hardest time just trying to figure out what the bug was that was going on. And those of you that don't know, I vibe code my app. I don't get too particular like into like coding myself. I'm basically the architect to the whole deal. You know what I'm saying? And AI is doing the heavy lifting for me when it comes to coding, right? So I just couldn't figure out how to get the app to stop crashing because it kept crashing as soon as you would tap on the app icon. it would immediately just crash, and you couldn't even open the app anymore. And I have people who are using the app message me like, hey, the app is not working, it's crashing, stuff like that. So for like maybe a week and a half, I've been trying to figure out why it's crashing. And I know it was due to the new update that I've done in the app that just kept crashing it. But for whatever reason, the AI couldn't find the line of code that was crashing the entire app. And it was taking a long time to figure it out. But today, what I did, I had the AI create a crash log, right? And a crash log is basically, it's kind of like a report that tells coders, or in this case, the AI. Hold on, you guys. There's a machine going past. It's kind of loud. All right, I'm back. But it will basically tell the coder, or in this case, the AI, where in the line of code is making the app crash like that. So, and it's common sense for those of you that are like in this space. Like it's like, duh, you should make a crash log, but for whatever reason, it didn't pop in my head. And I'm tech savvy, and you just it be the fundamentals sometimes that we just skip over. We be so deep into whatever it is that we're doing that some fundamental things just get overlooked. All right, just get overlooked. But yeah. So I created the crash log, and when it was done creating the crash log, it told me like, all you got to do is go in the admin screen. The crash logs will appear there, and you just have to send it back to me. The AI is telling me this. Like, I have to send the crash log back to the AI, but I'm like, wait, if I can't even get inside the app, I won't be able to get to the crash log. You know what I'm saying? So that kind of defeats the purpose. So I said that back to the AI, and it came up with the idea like, okay, since you're not able to get into the admin screen to access the crash logs, anything that's in the crash logs, as soon as the crash actually happens, it will automatically be sent over to the servers. I'm like, boom, there we go. That's how we're gonna fix that. You know what I'm saying? Like, boom, that's the answer to that. All right. So it went ahead and did that. Right. It went ahead and did that, and immediately, right after that, I created a new test app, so I can test out, see what's going on. And immediately, I was able to get back into the app. Crazy, right? It's so crazy. Like, immediately, I was able to get back into the app. I absolutely love it, because at first I wasn't able to get into the app at all, but now I can get back into the app. Now that I'm back into the app, there are other things that are crashing inside of the app, right? So fix that problem. Now it's a whole other list of problems that need to be fixed now. So the issue that I'm running into now is when you go into the other different tabs within the app, it immediately crashes the app. Yeah, like no matter what tab you click on towards the bottom, like home works though. When you hit the regular home tab, that's working fine. But when you hit the other tabs, it immediately crashes the app. So I have to figure out what that problem is now. And then fix that issue. But the big issue that was stressing me out for a week and a half is now fixed. Oh man, y'all just don't understand what I was going through. I've spent a lot of money because all of these changes and fixes that you have to do, you guys, it costs money. You know what I'm saying? It ain't free to do all these changes and fixes. Like, it legit costs money. Like, my last invoice was like $250. Now I know that's nothing compared to some of these like bigger, known apps, but $250 to fix a bug, one bug, $250. That's a lot. yeah, that's a lot. Feel me? Like, man, it took a while. Okay, my bad, you guys. It's gonna be a weird little jump cut from there. I ran out of storage on my phone. When you're recording a bunch of videos and stuff like that, you know, for marketing, you tend to run out of space. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna try and end it short since I really don't got that much time left. But I just wanted to give you guys that update on like what's really going on with the app. For those of you who are using the app right now, now you know the reason for the crashes. All right, so now we're off to the next issue, or next issues that need to be fixed within the app, and then just gonna go from there. But the big issue is obviously fixed right now, which was the actual getting into the app. Like that part wasn't working like how it should. I should probably walk backwards because the sun is behind me. But yeah, so we took care of that big issue. Now we just got to figure out the next few problems that we got going on. And yeah, man, the life of a app founder. About to see how the rest of this finna go. But I think I should be able to quickly find out what these issues are, probably before I even head into work later today. So we gonna see. I'm typically able to pinpoint what the issues are and get them fixed pretty quickly. Like I said, the AI, I'm vibe coding, right? Vibe coding. So the AI is doing most of the heavy lifting, but the AI can only do what you tell it. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully get everything back squared away, rocking and rolling. The big update that I did to it seems to be in place, but now we got to see what works and what don't work. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next one, and hopefully I'll be able to show y'all a little bit more of the ins and outs of how I'm actually vibe coding this thing. All right, peace, family.